What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 things I love about my F-150. Let's go. Guys, I'm on the roof now, getting some better light for you all to see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over real quick the 5 things I love. First thing I love about this truck, clearly, and if you haven't watched my last video, why I chose Ford over F-150, it's just the overall look of this truck, man. I mean, I think Ford is the best looking pickup truck on the road, hands down. This thing just looks beautiful, especially with the lift kit. With the lift kit with the tires on it, man, it just makes it look even better. Like this is my favorite truck with the lift kit and tire setup. It's just, I think it takes the cake. This color is a beautiful color. I get a lot of compliments on this color. It's not red, it's like a cinnamon red, actually, if you can see, but it is a beautiful color. It goes very well with the black wheels, and also with the paint to match your bumpers here and everything. It just looks good, man. It's the best looking truck, I think, on the market overall. I mean, can't go wrong with the way this thing looks. I have not once since I got this truck, not gotten a compliment on how it looks. This truck draws a lot of attention, man. It's a good looking truck. And I mean, it just flows. Everything they did to it just flows very well. Guys, so the second thing I love about this truck is, I mean, just the technology in this thing, man. We all know Ford has been the leader in technology of these trucks, F-150 series, for a long time, man. And this one is no exception. This was 2015. This was the refresh, redesign, and you start with what's under that hood right there, man. So I have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine, and it has like one of the highest towage capacities. Again, to me, that's technology. You know, they're taking a V6 engine and making it the highest towage capacity out of the bunch. So that's the start there. And this thing is, even though it's a V6, it is probably faster than most V8 that's in other trucks. Maybe the GMC Denali 6.2 liter can give it a run for its money, but still, for this to be a V6 with the turbos, man, I mean, it's just amazing what they have done to have this truck tow so much with a smaller engine. And also, you climb into the interior here. Excuse the check engine light, that's not on because the check engine, I just don't have the car all the way on. I mean, climbing to the inside, man, there's just so much information this truck gives you, man. It's crazy. I mean, you can see here your average MPG, and you go down, you can see what you're doing the last 30 minutes as far as mile per gallon. You got your compass, and then you just cycle through. In towing, you can check your, I think they was the first ones forward to come with the trailer status of your trailer, you know, trailer sway on, select trailer, all that stuff. And actually, this is somebody else's. I still see they had a trailer in here. And it's just so much you can do. You can rename the trailer brake type. All this is done. It's just so much information. Fifth wheel, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know that was there. So it's crazy just to see what you can do and how much technology it has in this truck. And that's all with the towing, you know, gooseneck. And that's just crazy. I mean, so just the leading technology. You can see right now my wheels are at 21 degrees because I had them turn, and it's reading that. Your power distribution, it reads all that. And so Again, Ford, I mean, a lot of trucks have this technology as well, but just the fact that all of that is available to you, so much information this truck gives you back, feedback to you, excuse me, it's just, it's crazy, and it's amazing how far these vehicles have come. All right, guys, next thing I like is just the interior cabin of this truck. Looks very, very nice, as you can see here. Very truckish feel, but still classy. Get the truck filled, your big gear shifter in the middle, and also just the room and interior in this car, man. I mean, and also I do not feel cramped in here at all. There's so much room in here. And another thing I noticed on their doors they did here, they sloop down right here, and it gives you like a bigger window, a bigger cabin feel. Very crazy, but you can see the interior. They think it's just nice. It's just pretty, very well done. Nothing bad to say about it besides, you know, the seats, which I talked about in another video. Going on to the back, I mean, just look how much space is back here. You can see, and this again with my seat all the way back, how much space is in this car. And also, I'm gonna show y'all something here else really quick. If I was to lift this up, excuse the junk, because that's just my cleaning stuff. Lift both of these seats up. Show y'all something. Watch this, guys. I literally can walk from one side of this truck through the other in the back. Literally, watch this. Look, I can literally walk across. All right, guys, so as you see, I am 6'2", and for me to be able to walk all the way across, to basically walk from one side of this truck to the other through the back seat, shows you how much room is in there. And I'm a pretty wide person as well. You know, I'm 6'2", pretty wide. You know, I got a football frame, you know, broad shoulders, things like that. So that's just how much room is in there, and I love that about this truck. So you ever have kids, you probably can have 3 kids in the back of this car comfortably. You can fit 5 people, very easy. I'm talking about 3 car seats, 2 adults in the front, very easy. Another thing I love about it, just the amount of space it gave me, which was one of the deciding factors as to why I chose this as well. Last but not least, the main thing that made me fall in love with this truck, man, is the turbo spool. It almost sounds diesel-like. You have to hear, you can definitely hear the turbo spooling up in this thing once you get to a certain RPM, and it sounds really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, it almost sounds like a diesel, baby diesel. We're gonna say that, like a baby diesel, exactly what it sounds like. All right, guys, I'm not sure if I'm on my 5th thing or 6th thing or wherever it may be, but another thing that I love about this truck, is gonna sound crazy, is it is quiet. And that sounds crazy because I'm a guy, road motorcycle, I love sport cars, I love loud exhaust, all that, you know. It's nothing like a car or truck. My last truck, my Ram, had a Flowmaster 50 series, and it sounded amazing, but for some reason, I love the way this truck sounds being quiet. It's like I'm like stealth almost, you know, like a Batman. You in this big old vehicle, but you just riding stealthily, and it's a very smooth, quiet ride. And I like that about it. For some reason, it just, I don't know, it goes well. You know, like I said, I had a truck with Flowmaster on it, and after a while, you get tired of hearing the noise all the time, you know, but I do love the fact that this truck is very, very quiet, and you can't hear much when you're riding from the exhaust and things like that. It's just, when you take off and go, it's just like a whoosh, but you don't hear much, you know what I'm saying? You hear the engine, but you don't hear really much exhaust. So another thing I love about this truck. All right, guys, this is gonna be the last thing, and it's not it that I love about this truck, and it's not really something about the truck, it's actually with the key. So if you know, it does have keyless, automatic start, which is always helpful in the winter and summertime. You're trying to cool your vehicle off. Due to auto start sequence, you have to press the lock button, and then you hit this twice. Try it again, see if I can get it for y'all. See, boom, turns green for me. So it lets you know if the start was successful or not successful. So if it was not successful, this would turn red. To me, that's very helpful, because with that, my last truck had an automatic start, and I never knew when it started. The only thing I had to do, I would have to listen to see if I could hear the exhaust, you know? And so with this, if I can't see my truck, I'm not sure, you know, no lights, it's bright outside like now, I can't see if the lights or anything came on. I just look at my key, and it turns green to let me know that the auto start has been activated. And I just think that's a very cool thing to have, without having to wonder, did you cut your truck on or not? All right, guys, so let's go about wrap this video up. Again, that was 5 things I love about Big Red, aka my F150 XLT Sport Edition. So yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully you find this helpful and useful, and you're here. Consider subscribing if you like this video, and also consider going back, man, browsing some more videos. Come kick it with your boy Q. hey man, let's just take this channel and this truck off, man, see where we can go with it. I'm looking forward to collabing with other YouTube stars, YouTube people. So if you're watching this, you in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and you want your truck featured on my channel and you do YouTube, man, come on, DM me, hit me up. My DM's in the description down there for you. And yeah, man, we can get something going, and hey, bring your truck or car on the channel. And I even let you take a ride in Big Red if you want to, man. But that's all I got. Y'all stay tuned for the next one, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.